3x3, but everything is random. Not only will the scramble be random, but also the cross color and the time I have to get. I'll spin a wheel to determine each of these things, and if the average I get is not under the time I spin, for all 3 averages I do, I will take the top comment of this video and post it as a community post. Let's get going. So this is the first spin. The time here will determine the time my average needs to be under. So I've given myself some generous ones like a 20 seconds. That could be easy enough, but 10 seconds is also very hard for me. So it could end up being very easy or very hard. It also depends on the randomness of the other things. Spin it here, and it looks like it is a 12-second, so that means I need to get an average under 12 seconds. So for the first solve, I'm going to spin this wheel, and that will determine what cube I use for the solve. There is Tornado V4, Arstorm V5, Rook Speed Cube, GAN 15, and a carbon fiber cube. I really don't want to land on that last one. We'll spin it here. There are 3 pretty good ones, and I landed on carbon fiber. Are you kidding me? Final spin will be the same, except with cross colors. My strengths are white and yellow, so I'll hope for one of the two. There's a 1 in 3 chance, but I'm probably gonna get screwed. Oh, okay. Didn't know what a carbon fiber cube is? Yeah, you're gonna really have to squint to see this one. At least the scramble isn't half bad for white. I'll just go. Let's see what happens. The look ahead is not gonna be that easy here. It is easier because I'm white cross, O for pair, and Olo, and the PLL's J prim. Okay. 1396, that is not under 12, so that's not a good start. Hopefully I get a better cube next time. Okay, so that last solve, it wasn't that good, but it could have been a lot worse. So let's hope I get a better cube this time. Please not carbon fiber. Any of these are pretty good. I swear, it's carbon fiber again. Okay, well this might be equally as bad, but I can't really spin a better cross color, so this is not that good. We'll see, and it's white again. Okay, I'll take it. Back again with this, and the scramble for white, wouldn't say it's as good as last time, so I'm a bit worried here. I also need an under 12-second average, keep that in mind. Starting with a high 13 is not gonna be a good way to get that. The look ahead, thought I did good there. Just the look ahead, the solve was fine. I just messed up the cross and the PLL. I messed it up. Oh no. Okay. 17. Okay, this is a pretty terrible start, but hopefully it gets better here. Let's not land on carbon fiber a 3rd time. We're gonna land on, okay, Tornado V4. That's better. Okay, now for the cross color. This one's important as well. I hope it just keeps landing on white or yellow. I don't think that's guaranteed. And, oh, it's on white again. That's really cool. Still on white cross, but it's just a better cube, and the cross isn't that bad either, so I'll take it. Somehow still managed to mess it up. Free pair. I need this time to be under 11. I'm doing the worst F2L solutions ever and having the worst turning it. Oh, PLL skip. Okay, that really saved me from getting a bad time. Okay, that was a bit better, but I still probably need to like count a 9 in order to get this average to work out. So I'm gonna probably need to land on RS35 or something twice in a row. And I'm landing on GAN 15. That's not bad. Okay, if this could keep landing on white cross, that would be a great thing, but I doubt it's gonna land on white 4 times in a row, and it landed on yellow, so that's a second best thing. So I have to do yellow here, and the scramble for yellow, I don't like it. So I don't know if this is gonna be good enough, and I need to count a 9. This pretty much has to be a 9, so that essentially means I'm screwed, even though I got decent rolls. Free pair, is this gonna save me? Oh, it's a 9. Okay, I might actually do this. I think most of these cubes on this list are pretty okay. The cross color and scramble matter a lot though, because if I get bad ones, then I'm basically screwed. So cube here, as long as it's not carbon fiber, I think I'm good. Okay, R35, that's my main, so that's very helpful. Color cross here, if I need another 9, I'm probably gonna want to get white or yellow. So hopefully that's the case, and I get white. Okay, that's crazy. Okay, white cross has gotta be good here, and it's not bad, but there's a lot of pressure here because if I can do this, that's really good, and I probably won't be able to do this because I need a 9. Cross is not ideal. F2L pair was not ideal. Okay, 1083, that's probably not enough. And the grand reveal for the average was 12.11, which is not under 12 seconds, so I have to keep going. That was so close though. I didn't even need a 9, I just needed a low 10 and I got a high 10. If it weren't for that Y perm, I'm just gonna stop envisioning the glory that it could have been. And I need to spin this wheel, and this wheel is very important. If I get 10 seconds the next 2, I'm basically screwed. So hopefully I get something good here. And okay, 13 seconds. Last average would have qualified under that. that. So I think this is good. Okay, cube matters as well. We'll spin this here. There's Rubik's Speed Cube on here as well, which isn't great, but I can handle it. And I got R35. And finally right here, we have cross color. This one's gonna be interesting. I've gotten white and yellow the whole time, and I got yellow again. Okay, this is going great for cross colors. These cross colors have been unbelievably lucky, but specifically for the crosses themselves, I have to get lucky with the scramble. And in this case, I think it's fine. And I need to get under 13 seconds, so this will probably be a big help to it. I could jinx myself though, and I think I did because that cross was terrible. I literally rotated, and I can't look ahead properly. There, soon, U-perm. Okay, 12:18. That's better than 13 seconds. Now, yet again, we'll spin to determine the cube. We haven't gotten carbon fiber in a while, so that's good. And we get the Rubik's Speed Cube, one we haven't gotten and is probably the worst of the best. Okay, now for cross color. If I want to get a 13 on the Rubik's Speed Cube, I'm probably going to need white or yellow. And I've gotten that the whole time, which is crazy lucky. And I got white again. White here isn't terrible. Actually, there's probably an X-cross opportunity, but I think I'm too dumb to do it. I think I'm just gonna accidentally do it. We'll see how this goes. Do that. Oh, it's a double X cross. Oh, I'm smart. If only it were a better cube. OLL, PLL, 907. That's very good for the Rubik's Speed Cube. Let's spin the wheel for the cube again. This is on track so far, so that's really good. And I get the R3MB5. Okay, this is a good start. Cross color is gonna really determine it though, because I've gotten super duper lucky with the cross colors. So I really need to get another good cross color here. And I get green, so it's my first non-actual good cross color. Have to do green cross here, and the cross is fine, but F2L is going to be a nightmare, so hopefully this doesn't ruin the average. This is not good. This is not good in the slightest. Hopefully I can recover from... Nah, there's no way I recover from this. This is terrible OLL, and PLL also terrible, and I +2 the 18, so it's a 20.10. Okay, I guess that shows the danger of having a bad cross color. Even if it's my main cube, I'll just not look ahead good. Hopefully it keeps being good cubes and it doesn't switch to the carbon fiber suddenly. The Rubik's Speed Cube, I got a 9, so that's fine. Okay, now we have the cross color wheel, and I don't want to get unlucky too much. If I get unlucky again, the average might kind of be ruined. I got orange. This might not be good. Have to do orange cross here. I feel like I'd mess this up, but I hope I don't. And then the rest of F2L, I'm probably gonna mess up, but we'll see what happens. I forgot where the cross piece was. It's there. Okay, that's actually a good look ahead there. I kind of guessed on that pair. I didn't see it fully, and it's J-perm. Oh, that was terrible. Okay, the average is totally ruined now. Okay, after that, I don't think there's any hope left, but I'll still try for the 5th solve, and it has to probably be perfect here, and I'm getting the GAN 15. Now I've got the cross colors. I need white or yellow here in order to try to get a good average. I'm going to get blue. Okay, I'm screwed. Is blue cross good here? Maybe, but I don't think it can plan the whole thing, so that's going to really mess me up, so I'm probably not gonna be able to do this here. Plus, I need like a 9, so this is bad already. I can't look ahead, and I can't turn on this cube. I don't know why. There, end perm. That's definitely gonna ruin things. 1704. Okay, this is not looking good. Okay, I counted the 18 and 17 at the end, so you probably already know this average is not under 13 seconds. In fact, it was 15 seconds. So hopefully the third average does it, or else I'll have to take the top comment from this video, post it as a community post. Okay, the time I spent here is really important. I probably need a 15 or 20 because I'm not getting all whites and yellows again. In fact, the last average I didn't, and I got pretty much screwed by that. So hopefully this is a generous time boundary thing, and it is. I have to get a sub 10 average. Oh no! Okay, I need the world's best luck in order to get a sub 10 average, because I can't even get that with my main and white and yellow cross colors, and I got the carbon fiber cube. This is just brilliant. Please at least be white or yellow. The carbon fiber cube wasn't terrible with white or yellow, and okay, it's white. I at least have something. Okay, white cross is actually not that bad. I definitely am gonna get a sub 10 solve here, and definitely not gonna choke this, but we'll see what happens. I choked it, that's great. It's kind of somehow not that difficult to look ahead here. Sound is terrible. That's another downside. I could barely see the PLL. So that was like a 10-second pause for no reason. And that time has to be the time that's not counted, or else I'm screwed. Well, that can't be counting, so I'm gonna have to get get something really amazing here, and not the carbon fiber cube, I got the GAN 15. Not the best, but it's not the worst. The cross color really matters a lot as well. I got lucky with white last time, but I also got unlucky with the carbon fiber, and it looks like I'll be getting white again. Okay, I need this luck in order to try to get a sub 10 average. There's a pair there that I'm not gonna be able to preserve, but I'm not gonna overcomplicate things because I need a sub 10, and I already kind of messed up the cross finger tricks there, but it's not over. It's kind of more over now. It is definitely over after the G perm at 1217. I'm gonna need to count an 8. Give me R3 please. It's my main cube. I mean, that would be great. I'm getting the Rubik's Speed cube. Okay, it's fine. Okay, cross color. I need the same dumb luck that I've been getting at the start to happen at the end, and I need to not get a color neutral cross color, and I'm getting green. Oh no. Okay, the screen cross is not the most optimal, so this is bad. Okay, look ahead there, look ahead there. No look ahead here. Oh, but I think I just randomly inserted a pair that I didn't know I inserted. Still a 12, so I'm basically doomed anyway. Technically, it's still possible for me to get the sub 10, but I'd need to count a 6 or something, so essentially I'm screwed, but you never know. Maybe these two scrambles at the end are just godly. Okay, this has to be like R3 I mean, Tornado V4 and GAN 15 are probably equally as good, and I'm getting the carbon fiber cube. Are you kidding me? Okay, cross color has to be good. I mean, it's a carbon fiber cube. I can't have bad look ahead with a bad cross color as well. And I got green again. I am so screwed. This is not gonna be good. And I can't look ahead there. I can't really look ahead there. And I could actually kind of look ahead there. I got a J perm. And also, I got a 17. Okay, I need to change the regulations of the WCA in order to get a sub 10 average here, but we'll still do the last solve, and it is on a carbon fiber cube again. That is absolutely great news. Okay, let's see if the cross color is as bad as last time. It probably will be, but you never know. And I'm gonna get yellow. Okay, that's actually not terrible. Yellow cross here is absolutely not bad, actually. I'm gonna say absolutely terrible, but it's not that terrible, so I'll take it. Let's see if I mess it up somehow. I didn't, but I messed up the first pair. Also, by the way, you can probably barely see what I'm solving because they put the black stickers on top of the actual colors, and what's that sound? I don't know what that sound was, but that's concerning. I got close on one of them. I got very lucky with the whites and yellows. I also got the carbon fiber cube a lot, which doesn't help. And I also had to get a sub 10 average for the last average. So that went about as well as you'd have expected. I'm going to have to take the top comment on this video, post it as a community post. This is not going to be fun. See you in the next video.